All right, so what we've done so far is picked out the panel of the Besta cabinet that we wanted to cut the hole in. We unboxed our scroll saw, and then we found this template online, and I'll link to it in the post on my site. And all I'm doing now is drawing the door hole. Ta-da! That's interesting.
Oh.
Wasn't expecting that. Now is when you discover that the Besta cabinet isn't solid. Didn't know that. So now we'll have to figure out what the heck we're doing with this. Ain't DIY grand. All right, on to the next step. Okay, so we used the saw and we cut this part out, and now about 2 months have passed because that's how we roll. I got this. It's pre-glued iron-on veneer edging, and I've cut it according to the directions a little bit longer than I need it. I've got an iron heated up to the cotton setting, which again is what the directions say to do. Oof, that's nice. That happens when you knock it over. And then you're just supposed to heat it up, which seems a little tricky in this case. Yeah, a little quicker. And then the directions say to use, while it's still hot, press it down with a wood block or a roller. So I'm just using my little Mod Podge brayer, because, you know, craft tools can work for DIY projects too, right? And then I'm just going to keep going like that. All right, so the curve of this is making this a little bit challenging, as you can see. So I'm finding that I'm just having to use like the hot side of the iron to get this to bond and heat up. And then of course, go back with the brayer and get in there. It doesn't look as smooth as the other areas, but it is working. It just takes a little more patience. Inside the cabinet, I have, of course, the cat box, and there's a scoop. On the shelf above, I have some air freshener along with extra cat litter and a little sweeper for picking up all the additional litter. And then just to the side, I have a trash can that is lined with a little scented bag to empty the cat litter into. So everything you need right here in one little IKEA cabinet. And you don't have to keep the trash can right where we do, or the scoop right where we do. We do that to help keep our dog out as well.